In the previous video, we talked about how frames work and how they allow you to insert photos easily inside shapes. But today, we're focusing on 3 specific creative frame styles that can completely change the look and feel of your design. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. Head over to canva.com and log into your account. On the left-hand panel, click on Create, then choose Presentation so we have a clean workspace to demonstrate everything clearly. Once your blank canvas opens, go to the left side panel and click on Elements. Scroll down until you see the Frames category. Let's continue with film frames. Right at the bottom of the basic frames, you'll see photo and film frames. These frames look like old camera negatives or vintage photo strips, and they instantly give your design a nostalgic storytelling vibe. Click on one and place it on your canvas. To use it, simply drag multiple photos from the Uploads tab directly into each section of the film frame. The images will automatically snap into place. If you want to adjust the crop, double-click the image and reposition it until you're satisfied. Film frames are great for travel memories, photo collages, recap slides, or any design where you want to show multiple images in a sequence. They look best when your photos have similar color tones, so everything feels cohesive instead of random. Now let's move on to paper frames, which you'll find right below the device frames. These frames look like printed photos, scrapbook cutouts, or ripped paper edges, which makes your design feel more personal and handcrafted. Click on one and drag your image inside just like before. Some paper frames already include shadow effects, which automatically add depth and make your layout look layered without extra work. You can slightly rotate the frame to create a casual, organic arrangement, and you can layer multiple paper frames on top of each other using the Position tool at the top toolbar. This style works especially well for mood boards, Instagram posts, product highlights, or personal branding content because it feels warm and relatable. Now let's talk about blob frames. These are irregular, abstract-shaped frames that give your design a modern and artistic look. When you insert an image into a blob frame, it instantly looks more dynamic compared to a basic square or rectangle. Click on a blob frame, drag your image inside, and resize or rotate it to fit your layout. Because the shape is not perfectly symmetrical, it naturally creates movement and visual interest. Blob frames are perfect for creative portfolios, website banners, presentations, or minimal designs that still need a strong focal point. They look especially good when paired with soft backgrounds or clean typography. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. You now understand how to use film frames, paper frames, and blob frames inside Canva as a beginner. Once you start choosing frame styles intentionally based on the mood you want to create, your designs will immediately look more polished and creative instead of basic and flat. If you want to continue mastering Canva step by step, check out the next tutorial and let's keep improving your design skills. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.